Alright, so I have a pigtail here for my heated jacket liner. I could also plug this in for the battery charger as well. So basically I'm running it on the SuperCub. There's like no space anywhere, you can't put anything anywhere. Previously I had it running up under the seat, and I actually had it coming out like right here, a little tab right here, but that's good for charging it. But as far as using it, plugging it in while you're riding for the heated jacket, that's not a good spot, because it's just gonna dangle and it's gonna rub this thing and whatever, it's gonna mess it up. So I decided to run it down right here, and I'm gonna probably zip tie it to this this cable here right here, and just basically let it kind of sit like so, and something like that, and hopefully it'll work. That's the only place I could see. Otherwise, there's really no place on this bike to put this thing. Yeah, so hopefully that works.